All right, 4 of these and 3 of these. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Who's clicking? You think you got that magic touch and keep going?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And
I'm out. Let's see.
We'll do it until I lose it, like we usually do. Like we always did in Master of the Universe.
Common Darth Maul, Legendary Obi-Wan would be my top 2 picks, personally, to complete those characters in those all characters in those rarities. All right, guys, here we go. Let's go with something. Or just any Ultra Grail for once in 200 cubes. And a rare Padme, which I'm 99% sure we have. We don't. I thought we did. I thought we did. Wait a second.
So do I.
Wait a second now. Are we losing track? Are we doing a bad job of... Oh, no, these are... Let's go here. Oh, Legendary.
Oh, yeah.
And Common and Rare. Okay, we didn't. I thought we did.
Still have the magic.
Great. Cool.
Still have the magic.
Good. Now we just look... A Common and a Rare Darth Maul. And a Legendary Obi-Wan, right? I've kind of given up on getting Ultra Grails, really. I mean, look at this. We've got 184 here, plus 24. That's 208, right? And 6 more. I mean, what are the odds that 6 against 208 are really going to give us an Ultra Grail? I mean, I've lost a little bit of the faith. But we'll see. Maybe we will get lucky. So, awesome. All right, guys. We'll be back.